Good day, sir. I am John Lendelenko, 21 years old. I was born on the 5th day of November in the year of our Lord, 1993. My father is a businessman and my mother is a certified public accountant. I have two other siblings and I am the eldest. I stand 5 feet, 11 inches tall, and I am a sports-oriented person. I used to play chess, badminton, alliance, basketball, volleyball, water polo, and my favorite sport, swimming. When I was young, I used to play with my neighbors. We go wild in the playground, play outside our house, drive our vehicles, and most of all, watch the flying airplanes outside the house. And that was the start of my passion about flying vehicles. I live in the cool municipality of Santa Rosa, City of Laguna, Philippines. I have finished my elementary and high school with recognizably good grades. Then when I entered college, I took up Bachelor of Science in Avionics Technology, knowing that I will have a very good future in aircraft electronics field. Being able to graduate was already an achievement, but that does not end that way. Entering a job now is another stepping stone in my life. That's why I am here now. With my skills and knowledge that I had acquired with my 17 years of studies, I am quite assured that I have the qualities that your company would need. I can assure you my utmost loyalty to the company, and with that, you will not regret on choosing me. I'll be your greatest asset, and as much as possible, I'll do my best to uphold the integrity of your vision and mission as an organization. I have a very big passion with aircrafts, and any work relating to it, I will accept it with my whole heart. Thank you.